Dear students and learners, welcome back to my lecture series on this YouTube channel English Mania. Feed the mind, feel the English. So this video lecture is very important for those who are going to appear for 12th English board exam this year on 23rd April 2021. So here in this video, I am going to tell you most important grammar topics, writing skills and vocabulary topics to be prepared especially for this board examination. Let's see key points of this video lecture. So in this video lecture I am going to tell you 16 most important grammar topics that will definitely come in your board examination. There are so many students who are very much concerned about English grammar, and I have already told you don't worry about grammar because grammar topics will be there for around 8 to 10 marks. If you want to concentrate, always concentrate on writing skill topics because section 3 writing skill contains 16 marks. And then I will tell you four most important or compulsory writing skill topics that you have to prepare, that you must prepare for your board examination if you want to get 16 out of 16. And at the end of this video I will tell you most important vocabulary topics for question number A6. Let's begin with writing skills. As you know, third section of writing skills will be there in your 12th board examination for 16 marks. There will be 4 topics and each question carries 4 marks. You have to attempt 4 topics. So this question of writing skill will be there on question number 4. You have A, B, C and D, and as you can see in each question you have 3 choices. Let's see question number 4A. Number 1 is drafting a virtual message. In this you have two options, statement of purpose and group discussion. So all these 3 topics will be there in your board examination on question number 4A, and you have to attempt any one. It depends on you that what you need to attempt. So as you know, drafting a virtual message has 2 options, statement of purpose and group discussion. So you already start preparing for any one out of these 3 topics. Let's see question number 4B. You have 3 choices, email writing, report writing and interview writing. You have to attempt any one out of email writing, report writing and interview writing. In question number 4C, again you have 3 choices, speech writing, art of comparing and expansion of ideas. So you have to attempt any one out of these 3. In question number 4D, you have film review, blog writing and appeal writing. And you have to attempt any one out of review writing, blog writing and appeal writing. Each question carries 4 marks. So this section 3 will be there for 16. Here I am providing you the important links of my video lecture on most important writing skill topics. In the description box of this video, you can go in the description box of this video and you can easily access all my video lectures on writing skill. Now let's see 16 most important grammar topics, and out of these grammar topics I assure you grammar topics will definitely come in your board examination. Let's see. First one is articles, a and the, as you know. Prepositions like on, into, by, at. Change the voice, as you know. There are 2 types of change the voice, active voice and passive voice. Affirmative and negative sentences. Degree of comparison. There are 3 degrees: positive, superlative and comparative, and you have to prepare degree of comparison only. Rest of the most important grammar topics are use of as well as, use of either or, use of not only but also, tenses, all the tenses, change the voice we have already discussed, primary and modal auxiliary verbs, like question will be like rewrite the sentence by using modal auxiliary showing ability. You must know what modal auxiliary is there for ability. So in this way you have to prepare modal auxiliary verbs. Then clauses, and you must prepare framing of WH type question. Simple, complex and compound sentences, and last topic is direct indirect speech. You can take a screenshot of it and write it down in your notebook. I repeat, 16 most important grammar topics: articles, prepositions, change the voice, affirmative and negative sentence, degree of comparison, use of as well as, use of either or, use of not only but also, tenses, change the voice, primary and modal auxiliary verbs, clauses, framing of WH type questions, simple, complex and compound sentences, direct and indirect speech. So these are 16 most important grammar topics. If you want to prepare more topics, you can prepare. Now let's see most important vocabulary topics. So vocabulary question will come on question number 1A, A6 and question number 2A, A6. And this question will be there for 2 marks. Important topics to be prepared for board examination for vocabulary are suffix and prefix. I am providing you the link of my video lecture on suffix and prefix in the description box of this video. Please go and check it out. Code mixing, word usage, collocations, word register, idioms and phrases, antonyms and synonyms. Antonyms means opposite and synonyms means similar words, and one word substitution. You can also prepare noun form of word, verb form of word, past participle, present participle of verbs for vocabulary purpose. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it now. Thank you so much.